To manage tasks effectively, it is essential to keep their information up to date. While working on a task, information about it or its resources may change. You can hover over a task field and change its value. Click the pencil icon in the upper corner and enter a new name. You can use up to 120 characters, including numbers and letters. Select a task priority. Tags, enter or select a new value. Select a date and time to set a task deadline. You can set task reminders to avoid missing deadlines. In the reminder field, select the time when the reminder should trigger. To remove a reminder, click Reset. To create a new field, click Add Field. Enter a field name and select a type. Then, click next to your field and enter a value. Description. Edit or format your text. Apart from updating task stages to track progress, you can also create and use checklists. To add a new checklist item, click Add Item. To delete an item, click Delete. To rearrange checklist items, drag and drop them. If you want to add a checklist to other tasks, click Add Checklist. You can assign team members to your checklist items so that they can oversee different task stages. To assign a team member to a checklist item, click the circle next to it and select an assignee. If a selected team member is not the task's watcher, they will become one automatically. Hierarchic linking. A large task can be broken down into subtasks. You can add or remove parent tasks and subtasks. To add a parent task, click Add Parent Task. Start typing a task name and select from your existing tasks. To add a subtask, click Add Subtask and create a new task. Enter subtask data just as you would when creating a new task. To unlink a task, hover over a subtask in the subtask or parent task list and click Unlink. Parallel linking. You can also add or remove a link to another task, deal, or contact to include more related data. To add a link, click Link To and select a task, deal, or contact. Start typing a name in the search field and select a card. To remove a link to a task, deal, or contact, hover over the item in the links list and select Unlink. Add files. You can attach files to a task and share them with all its members. Click Add File and choose a file from your account storage or upload a new file from your device. All SendPulse tools share the same file storage. You can upload a file of any type except executable files. Once you upload your file, click the edit icon to manage it. Download, show in folder, remove from task or delete. Add comments. To leave a comment, type it in, tag a team member, and attach a file if needed. Manage tasks. You can take the following actions in task cards. Click the three dots button in the upper right corner to view all actions. Change status. Update your current task status or move it to a different board. Change assignee. Assign a team member to your task. Add watcher. Subscribe a team member to receive updates and keep them informed on task progress. Complete the task. Complete your task and remove it from the board. Subscribe to receive updates about your task. Duplicate. Create a deal copy. You can change its data, add fields, parent tasks, and subtasks, and attach files. Delete. Remove your task and its data from the board. To apply actions in bulk, switch to the list view. Check the tasks and select an action. Change stage, complete the task, or delete.